Here's problem number 10 from the mock test, you guys. It says a company charges $3 per mile to transport some equipment by truck. Which graph shows the relationship between the number of miles the truck is driven and the cost for transporting the equipment? Well, if you notice, all the graphs look similar. Same scales. They're each going up by 425. It has total miles driven, total cost. So really, you just got to realize $3 per mile, what does that look like on a graph? And this is a recognition question. Whenever you see that word per, like a cat purse, $3 per mile, that tells you that the slope of this is $3 for every 1 mile. In other words, the slope is just 3 over 1. So let's just find the slope of each of these and see if we can't find one that's 3 over 1. And I already know that A is the wrong answer. You know how? From Slope Dude, I know this is a 0 slope, so there's no way this could be $3 per mile. It's not a slope of 3 over 1. Let's go to the next one. C, right here, there's a point, and right there, there's a point. I'm going up 800 and over 25. If you think about it, 800, that's my rise. 25 is my run. If I divide these two, I'm going to get a really, really big number. I'm going to get 30. I'm going to get like 32, something like that. And that's not quite right. So let's keep going. The next one, here's a point, and here's a point. I get a rise of 400. I'm going up 400. And a run of, well, from 0 to 125 is 125. And when I divide these, believe it or not, I am going to get 3. So I should already know this is the right answer, but let's just double check this last one just to make sure. I'm going up 400 in this one. And you got to watch these numbers over here. 2,000 to 2,400, that's 400. And then going over, I'm going from 0 to 125, so that's over 125. I actually get 3. Uh-oh. We have 2 slopes of 3. If we double check here, believe it or not, there are 2 right answers on this one. This problem is a little bit of a mistake. If you do the math correctly, either B or D is the right answer. So good job if you got either of those. I think on the answer key, I didn't mark both of those right, but they should be. But just keep in mind that if this ever happens on a test, either picking B or D would be the right answer, and I'd still give you credit.